So, today, my parents were at, my mom and my brother were at Target, and this lady came up to them and was like, hey, could you buy me these Squishies? And my parents were like, yeah, I'll buy you them. And then she gave us them like money or something, or she paid for some Squishies, and we all got two. My mom got two, Eli got two, and Dad got two. So my favorite in my thing is this one. I really like this one. It's a popsicle. I love it. And I caught a hot dog. The one thing I don't like is that the hot dog gets unattached. But it's still really cool. Look at that. And it makes sounds too, so I could do ASMR. But I'm not that kind of girl who does ASMR. So yeah. I honestly only really like the squishy bun. The bun is more squishy. It's bread. Eli got a s'more. So yeah, hold on. I'm gonna show you the s'more. I'm taking the Squishies with me since I love them. Okay. I'm gonna like. Yo, Eli, I want to show my YouTube account them. So this is the squish it.
Okay, and you just put this one back.
It's super squishy.
It's really squishy.
And he also got a cherry. And the house squishies are this duck and a pineapple right here. And Eli now make himself have boobs. Okay, so yeah, those are the squishies that we got.
Let me just take this one.
Wait, you can use this as a punching bag.
Oh yeah, you should.
And just be careful. So yeah.
For me, so when I'm like watching TV, instead of picking at my nails, I can squish it. Squeeze it.
I'm gonna bring one of these to like